naging talo ng parehong koponan na to. Lalo ang LPU. Sabi natin, double overtime nung first game at saka nung last game nila. Ay, you feel for Coach Gilbert Malabanan and his team.
Pero makikita natin ngayon, Nico, parang may changes si Coach Gilbert. Hindi niya ni-start si Renz Villegas. His #1 scorer. So, tingnan natin kung anong strategy niya for today's game.
Renz is actually top 2 on the league on based on points for the whole season. 101, averaging 18.67 points. As LPU will have a second crack on the basket. Second serving is good. It's Aviles.
Being patient with the ball, power dribble, and syempre, wala siyang defender doon, so he took it strong. But syempre, nagbabalik Team Makongotan last game, scoring 20 points. And he's been consistent all throughout the game, all throughout this season so far. Good steal for Aviles.
Ito na si Aviles. Turning. Good scoring.
Footwork. As you see Aviles, you know, sobrang ganda nung start niya ngayon. Being patient inside the paint. And with that footwork.
It's a 4-0 start for LPU. They always have a good start.
Ayun na nga, Nico eh. Ayun talaga yung naging story ng Arellano. Always maganda yung start nila, pero yung dulo sila na kukulangan talaga.
And look at that, Ongotan playing the passing lane there. Gives it to Kamay, his point guard. Pinoya hesitates, drives, spins against Barba with a looper is good.
Using his body against itong si Ato Barba.
Moralejo also had a good game last game with Aviles. That's a hit check, I think, for
Oo
Aviles.
nga, he check for Aviles, but just missed that perimeter. Pero itong si Moralejo, 5 triples siya last game.
And we will hear first for his first report of the game, Aaron Lee. Aaron.
3 games in, 3 heartbreaks later, but the LPU Pirates refuse to let go of the fight. For the second time this season, they found themselves in a familiar double overtime territory, with both of those moments coming at losses para sa LPU. This time, they head into their matchup against Arellano, still winless but not hopeless. Di pa namin nakuha yung right rhythm, yung right game. It happens, said Coach Gilbert Malabanan. As long as we give our very best, the important thing is we learn every time. I don't give the players any pressure because it's not gonna define us. What matters is how we handle it. Malabanan admitted that the Pirates could easily be in a better position record-wise. Dapat 2-1 kami ngayon, dagdag ni Coach Gilbert. LPU knows it's not about starting over. It's about finishing what they've been building. Nico and Prince.
But that's what we're talking about, Prince. LPU always have a good start. Dun sa kanilang last game, lahat ay napakaganda ng simula. It's about sustaining up until the end.
Tsaka gusto ko yung sinabi na they're winless but not hopeless.
Yun.
Lalo na ngayong format na to, wala talaga yung sure eliminated after this elimination round. Lahat may chance pa rin. So kahit na winless ka pa rin, may hope ka pa rin, may pag-asa pa ka rin to make it.
And last time I talked to Coach Gilbert, what he wants is just to enjoy the game for his players. At kasi kapag nag-enjoy ka, lalabas at lalabas yung laro, may no pressure, sabi mo nga kanina.
Tsaka yun yung lagi dapat yung mga players mag-enjoy lang kasi they're doing the sport they love, they're passionate about, so just enjoy the game.
Speaking of enjoying Team Makongotan and Arellano, I think they're starting to feel this game as Binoya with an all-alone layup.
If you're Arellano, gonna take advantage of those fast break points. Ayun yung game nila eh. They love running the floor, scoring on fast breaks.
Second serving once again for LPU. Rebounds na naging problema last time. I think today they have 2 offensive rebounds already, but that's a foul on Montaño.
Pero grabe talaga yung naging difference ng offensive rebounds nila last game against San Sebastian. 33-5. So kahit na they have a big lineup, San Sebastian had a smaller lineup. So they were really outworked, di ba? So kailangan doble effort talaga when it comes to boxing out, getting those rebounds.
It's always about sino ang mas gusto na manalo. Sinong mas gusto ng bola. Ito yung madalas tinatawag ngayon sa ating Season 101. Yung mga lane violation na ganyan.
Oo nga, lagi. Mas nagiging strict na, syempre, ang mga referees natin.
Valencia misses. But Libang is there to clean up the mess. Nabatihan natin. Yata natin LPU as Peñafiel drives. And will be fouled.
Another guy sa Lyceum who could really explode, itong si Peñafiel. Loves the open court, a slasher. So, ayun, kailangan mag-step up rin itong si Peñafiel.
Karaniwan sa mga player ng LPU are really, slashers. Moralejo. Bukod sa tres nito si Moralejo, he loves to drive also. As you said, itong si Peñafiel. Barba also. We're tied at 10 with 6 minutes and 13 seconds remaining on the first.
Kaya okay na springboard for Ato Barba last game eh. Since hindi niya nakukuha yung groove niya at the start of this season, nagkaroon siya ng career high last game. So it's a good confidence booster para one of the future games.
Well, they've been looking for Barba doon sa laro na yon up until the very end. Even though he had cramps on the last second, nakita natin, he fought for it.
Yeah. And he really gave it his all, 100%. Kaya siya nag-cramps. 35 minutes. Hindi biro yun, nakakapagod yun. Running up and down the court for 35 minutes.
Eto na, Barba, paborito mula sa labas.
Unlimited range for Barba. Layo niya sa line. And may tao siya sa harap, but he still took it.
Defense should always be instinct dito kay Barba. Ongotan. Drives.
Good pass.
Another drop pass.
Sorry miss for Libang. 3-on-1.
Barba. Moralejo, hindi na binigay ni Barba. Kaya niya raw. As Montaño. That's the second time Montaño trying to clean up the mess.
Good effort for Montaño getting that offensive rebound for that second chance opportunity.
This is the first timeout of the first quarter. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. It's a close ball game we're having today. LPU versus Arellano as Barba once again. Parang karugtog pa doon ang heat checking niya from last game, Prince.
Confidence, andun pa rin yung confidence niya. And syempre, as a shooter, as the leading scorer, dapat hindi nawawala yung confidence talaga.
Well, what you want for Barba is to translate all those points into a win. And there's no other day but today. But Arellano leading by 1 here.
Yeah. Pero
Or by 4.
Yeah, 4 points. Pero ang story talaga ng Lyceum, wala silang problema sa points eh. They're second in offense.
Yeah. Check
Pero
that.
pagdating sa defense, naging last place sila, allowing 87.67 points.
Check that, Princess. LPU leading by 4, 14 to 10.
Yeah.
Well, that's right after Ato Barba's 3. And right now, Montaño at the line. Pero may dino-double check lang itong ating mga referee. On their last game against San Sebastian, ito rin si Montaño ang isa sa mga missing link doon sa LPU Pirates.
Kasi itong si Montaño, alam natin yung kakayanan niya eh, capabilities niya. Pero for this season, di pa rin siya nagkakaroon ng explosive game. Pero yun yung hinihintay talaga natin, itong si Montaño to step up.
Well, Montaño last game only had 2 points on a 1 out of 4 field goal. He's not trying to find his shots nung nakarang laban. And now,
2-1 press now for Lyceum. Full court trap.
Langit now in the game.
Of course, rookie guard ng Arellano. Ito si MJ Langit.
7 to shoot for the blue shirts. Ongotan. Tulangit. 2 to shoot.
Binoya
Pinasa pa. Aabot ba? Hindi na para kay Binoya.
He wasn't aware of the shot clock.
Tira mo. Sabi ng mga
Oo.
coaching staff nitong Arellano. There's a turnover story for today. On this first quarter, dalawa para sa LPU, isa para rito sa Arellano. Montaño to Aviles. Aviles spins.
Good pass.
Kicks out. Peñafiel drives. Off the reverse. Misses. Ongotan tatakbo. Binoya nasa kanan. Ibinigay. Binoya with another 3-point opportunity.
Pinawi niya yung turnover na yun, Nico. With an N1 opportunity. Of course, good pass by Timac Ongotan.
And look at this. Arellano running the floor smoothly as Ongotan dropping it off to Binoya. Can he complete the 3-point play? He can't as Barbak got the rebound. (16 to 12 ang ating score.
Good steal.
Another steal for Arellano. Binoya. No foul there. At turnover for
Sayang yung
Arellano.
opportunity na yun by Binoya. Nakulangan sa legs eh.
Yeah, oh.
Nabitin yung pagtalon niya.
Off foot eh. As Versosa and Renz Villegas is in the game now. Again, Renz Villegas, our second in points in this early stage of season 101 with 18 points, 6 to 7. Now muna natin. Justin Sanchez from CSB. 4 minutes remaining in this first quarter. Moralejo, another turnover ba? Hindi muna, sabi ni Barba. As Langit will commit a foul there.
Pero isang malaking kawalan din for Lyceum, itong si Maclod Guadana,
Yun.
who won't be playing this season due to injury. So, syempre, nawalan sila ng scorer, a person who can dominate, a person who can shoot during crunch time,
Yep.
tsaka leader. So, yun talaga yung nawala sa Lyceum.
And what you want is for Renz Villegas to step up and fill that void left by Guadagna. Speaking of,
He is showing so far.
Versosa fakes. Attempt to shoot. Barba. Turnover. Oh no. The ball will remain with LPU with 6 seconds to shoot.
Dalawang beses na natatapikan itong si Ato Barba.
Nakikiskisan sa ilalim itong si Barba at Borromeo. Moralejo. Here's the knockout play. Montaño.
Oh, good play. 6 points now for Montaño. 2 of 2 from the field. It's a good start for him.
Abiera flies, misses. But look at Langit. And they will remain possession. What an effort.
Ito rin si Abiera yung naging missing link nila last game. He just played 6 minutes scoreless. He was held scoreless and he's the number 2 scorer for Arellano. So hindi siya nakapag-perform masyado last game.
That's coming off a good performance on the first turn of the season para sa Arellano. Dito si Abiera. Abiera looking for Hernal. Abiera pulls up. Misses. What a battle there on the rebound. But Hernal able to get that. Arellano will take possession. Look at Hernal. Dalawa ang kalaban ni Hernal doon.
Pero nakuha niya pa rin.
Too many fouls on their first quarter break. As LPU still leading here, 18-12. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. Dr. Lorenzo watching here sa Phil Oil Center from Emilio Aguinaldo College. Magandang umaga po. Umaga pa rin, di ba? 11:25. At syempre, kasama rin natin Dr. Alan Paul Laico, PhD ng Lyceum of the Philippines University. Magandang umaga mga sir. Panalo ang gusto ni Doc for today. And right now, they are leading 18-12 itong LPU Pirates. But itong si si Borromeo will be at the free throw line and he makes the first one. Borromeo, second is good.
Ngayon, Arellano naman ang nagpe-press ngayon with a 1-2-2 full court.
Gumante, no?
Oo eh. To slow down the offense of Lyceum.
Villegas looking for Barba. 13 to shoot. Barba against
Good D.
Langit. Aurigue, hands it off, no? Nagkaano ng papasahan, 5 to shoot for the Gray Shirts. Daileg, wala na siyang choice dito. Daileg fires, all board.
Grabe yung depensa ng Arellano doon. Was able to make a stop.
Langit gets the ball, down low.
Ooh.
Arellano scoring. This time it's Layton Buenaventura.
A big that can move that quick. Naiwan niya yung defender niya doon with a little bit of shimmy.
Barba gives it to Versosa
Wants this post.
against Borromeo. Pulls up, malakas. And there will be a foul. That's a bailout foul. Oh, I think it's...
Ito yun. Look at this shimmy. Oh.
Ito yung galaw ni Buenaventura muna. Look at that. Finding the angle.
Oh.
Finding the board. Oh, the foul was committed by Versosa on that shot.
Masama niyan. Penalty na both teams.
As Matthew Langit now at the line. A chance for him to tie this game up after the second free throw. First is good. Look at this. Ito raw yung... oh, it's Jonathan Daile on the rebound. Prince.
Na-extend yung arm niya eh. Okay sana kung katawan-katawan lang eh. Pero nakita ng ref na na-extend. So tinawagan ng foul.
Kala ko si Borromeo pa yung tinawagan nyo kanina. And we are tied at 18. Arellano on an 8-2 run in the last 1 and 46 seconds.
Good contest.
Aurigue
Honestly.
misses. Abiera has the ball.
Posting up Villegas, the smaller guy.
Langit. Hindi ginamit yung pick ni Buenaventura. Now Abiera pulls up. All defense is there. Check that, sabi ng referee, the ball will remain with Arellano.
Yeah.
Shot clock at 14 seconds.
14 to shoot for Arellano now. Abiera with an inbound. Gives it to Hernal. In the middle, block there. Natamaan yata sa leeg itong si Hernal on that play. But what a defense there by LPU. Look at this. The rebound. That's Aurigue on the block. Pero nagkatamaan itong si Villegas at saka itong si Hernal. Nag-iimbestigan yan ang ating mga referee. Sakit to.
Oo, natamaan sa mukha.
We're looking if that will be
Anspo?
yep.
Upgraded to Anspo, yeah. Kasi usually, pag sa mukha yung tama, Anspo upgrade eh.
Right now, we're tied at 18 with 1 and 19 seconds remaining on the first quarter. And sabi natin kanina, Prince, LPU always maganda ang simula. It's all about sustaining up until the end. Also Arellano, ganun din naman itong Arellano. Pwede natin sabihin, pareho sila ng
Ayun.
ng sakit, no?
So makita natin ngayon sa game na to kung sino yung makakapanalo and makakasolve na ng ganong problem nila.
A body unit foul was upgraded to a sportsmanlike foul on number 42, Joseph Hernal.
At saka itong Lyceum last game, 19-point lead first half. Then umabol lang talaga. So yun talaga yung nagiging problema ng dalawang teams na to. Di sila nakakapag-finish strong.
Ayun na nga, unsportsmanlike foul na nga ang itinawag dito kay Hernal. As Villegas now at the line to shoot the bonus. First throw is good. Villegas, the man from Bataan. Gets another one.
From possession station with the LPU Pirates. Shot clock is
Last game, Villegas had 15 points, but you know he's been absent on towards the end of the second OT, I think.
Yan, fouled out itong si Renz Villegas.
Aurigue hands it off to Jonathan Daileg. 5 to
Good
shoot
D.
for LPU. Naiipit dito.
Good D.
At ayun na, backcourt violation na ang itatawag kay Daileg. And the ball will go back to Arellano.
Kaya nakikita natin agad. Ngayong start pa lang ng quarter, yung aggressiveness ng Arellano sa defense. And it's been working.
Langit gets the ball here. Hands it off to Kabotahe. Pulls up. He has a shot.
Not the
Aurigue
best
gets
shot
the
there.
board. Balingayan, first time in the game. Under a minute remaining. Villegas swings it to the Ileg from the corner. Hits the front of the iron there. 2-for-1 opportunity for Arellano.
Oh,
One man down. Abiera pulls off from the outside.
Wala pa rin.
No. Fresh 14 for Arellano. Look at that. Borromeo, third serving for the blue shirts. Can't make it. Fourth serving. Still miss.
Last shot.
6 seconds. Villegas pulls up. Misses once again. And at the end of the first quarter,
and the end of the opening quarter.
LPU leading only by 2, 20-18. As we're seeing here, yung action doon sa isang bumagsak doon, Buenaventura. Medyo may swing ng bahagya doon kay Palingayan. Kaya, ayun, bumagsak itong si Palingayan. After this first quarter, LPU still leading by 2, 20-18. Magbabalik tayo for more basketball here on NCAA Season 101.
Second quarter.
Geronimo. Calling for the play here. Kabotahe, curling, di binigay. Now Maverick Pinoy at the post against the defense of Aurigue. Great defense from Aurigue. Tatakbo na ang LPU. Villegas gives it to Versosa. Versosa is fouled on the way up. Grabe yung on-air battle ni Versosa. Look at this. Buenaventura. Sasabay sana. Pero foul lang yung tinawag.
Good find para kay Villegas. Nakita niyo yung trailing Versosa. Di lang na-finish, but at least he got fouled.
The energy is slowly getting up sa ating first half after those two unsportsmanlike foul called on Arellano. Di mo alam kung sino yung nagising, Arellano o LPU. But right now, Versosa going up. Misses on the second one. Scrambling for loose ball. Diving Aviera. Arellano has the ball. Geronimo gives it to Maverick. Libang with a pick. Pinoya to Libang.
Oh,
And there will be a foul called on Aurigue. And before anything else, let's have Aaron D for his report. Aaron.
The Arellano Chiefs have quietly been building something in this new season as they've proven once again that they could go toe-to-toe with the heavyweights of the NCAA. First, taking the unbeaten Perpetual Altas down to the wire and then giving that late game scare against the defending champions, the Mapua Cardinals. Now at 1-2, they come into this matchup against LPU with lessons learned and confidence earned. Talo is talo pa rin. Accountable ako doon, said Coach Chico Manabat. Great experience. Simula pa lang ang liga. Madami pa kaming mai-improve. LPU is a contender and ganun din kami. We want to get the win and sana maging consistent din kami. The foundation has been laid and for Arellano, it feels like only a matter of time before the breakthrough comes. Nico and Prince.
Thank you so much, Aaron. Kanina rin kausap ko yan si Coach Chico. Gusto mo yung accountability for Coach Chico na kapag yan yung mga talo na yan, karaniwan sa atin kapag nanalo, players ang ating pinupuri for losses, coaches ang sumasalo ng mga yan. And for Coach Chico, walang problema sa kanya yung mga ganon dahil alam niya rin daw na may pagkukulang siya. But what matters most right now ay kung paano sila babalik at makakapanalo muli sa Season 101.
At saka ang importante, team kayo, walang sisihan. You'll lose together, you'll win together. Ang importante dyan, paano kayo maghatakan pataas pag may mga ganong situation na pagkatalo.
Pag mga ganyang start of the season, Prince, nung naglalaro ka, and sunod-sunod siguro back-to-back losses for naranasan nyo na ba yan?
Meron talaga syempre. And lalo na kapag kunyari yung mga tao titingin kayo na parang contender kayo for this season tapos hindi nyo napapakita yun. So syempre nag-lean down talaga kayo pero ang importante talaga niyan, kahit outside training, mag-get together kayo as a team, mag-usap-usap kayo or do something else, do other activities rather than basketball para lang mawala yung pressure, yung downside nyo. So, para ma-lift lang yung spirit nyo. Yun ang importante. Mag-bond kayo together.
And that's also how you build chemistry sa inyong team. As of Viera now at the line, they're down by 3. Gets the first one. Still a close ball game here in our first half. Sana ganito hanggang dulo. Second free throw is good for Aviera as Tima Congotan back in the game. Timac still scoreless in this game, but has 3 rebounds and 2 assists. Villegas against Cabotaje. Moralejo also back in this game. Moralejo against the defense of Pinoya. Pulls up.
That was a tough shot for Moralejo. Ang laki ng yung defender niya yun, pero tinira niya pa rin yun ganong kalayo ng 3 points.
Meron na namang isang bumagsak. That's the second time a man down in this game. Look at this shot first by Moralejo, dancing against the defense of Binoya.
Sizing him out.
That's a Luka Doncic.
Pero doon talaga nakukuha yung rhythm when you size up your opponent. Kahit na tingin mo mahirap, pero totoo niyan, kinukuha mo yung rhythm mo going into that shot.
As we're seeing the 3-point field goal story in this first half. 3 out of 5 for LPU. 0 out of 5 naman para sa Arellano. Ayaw pa mahulog ng mga tira sa labas. Pangotan. Will he dare to try? No.
2 defenders on him. He forced that one.
Look at the battle. Aviles and Libang.
Nakakailang offensive rebounds na tong Arellano. Yun talaga naging problema ng Lyceum. Last game pa lang. Hindi sila nakakapag-box out ng maayos. Pero swerte na lang, jump ball and possession ng Lyceum ngayon. Ato Barba. Strong move.
Using the board and attacking the basket. Itong si Ato.
Well, yun talaga strength niya going downhill and finishing strong. Kabotahe.
Kabotahe, 0 out of 6.
Another offensive rebound.
Ongotan will try from the corner.
There you
Finally!
go. First triple for Arellano. Side ball screen for Villegas.
Moralejo once again.
Mismatch over there kay Aviles.
Nako. And the ball will go back to the blue shirts.
Hindi lang nakita yung mismatch doon kay Aviles. He had the smaller kabotahe.
And look at this drive. Mula rito kay Ato Barba. Protecting the basketball with that elbow. Ito naman, Tima Ongotan for the first 3 for Arellano. Isa pa sana ron, pero mindes itong si Tima. Aviles.
Look at this pressure for Libang.
Balik na yata. Dalawang big man na nasa taas.
Oo nga. Sila na nagmaman ng guard. Pero naging over-aggressive lang doon si Libang, committing that foul. Ayun, nahawakan na niya si Aviles.
Dalawa nga sila, naghahawakan niya.
Gonna move your feet.
Reyes in the game now. Barba. Barba
Ooh, nakalusot.
takes it. And he is fouled. Nag-uusap ito si Libang at si Valencia. Sino ang may pagkukulang sa depensa?
Sino yung dapat nag-help doon? Pero you know, once Ato Barba goes downhill, mahirap na talaga pigilan Kaya simula pa lang, kailangan dikitan na agad siya.
Hindi na nakaset yung paa nitong si Libang after that switch.
And good job for Barba taking advantage of that. Nakita niya, mas malaki, mas mabagal yung defender niya. So nakita niya, may angle ng konti, so he drove that basket.
And you saw, may kasama pang gulang
Oo.
May konting chicken wing.
Part na yan, kasama na yan.
Barba misses on the second one. 1 out of 2 on the trip.
Down screen for Valencia.
It's just a 4-point lead for LPU.
Geronimo, midi.
Ernest Geronimo. I think that's his first 2 points of the game.
This is another guy who can explode Itong si Geronimo, scoring-wise.
That's the 7th turnover for the LPU. As we see first this
Double screen.
midi mula rito kay Ernest Geronimo. A great shot there. Dalawa na lang, inahabol ng Arellano. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. back here in Zone 1. As we see Sir Francisco Paulino Caico from Arellano University watching this game. What a great game we're having. First half pa lang.
Oo, dikit pa rin ang laban. Wala talagang gustong lumayo.
29-27 as we see Coach Chico Manabat saying a while ago siya ang may kasalanan ng mga pagkatalo. And it's so good for a coach to be accountable with the losses. Parang wala naman yatang choice ng mga coaches eh. No?
Oo, at saka ano rin yan, parang it's a sign na pinoprotektahan niya rin yung mga players niya from the viewers, from the audience, kung sino mga nanonood. As nakita natin, field goal percentage, 38% for Lyceum Arellano, 33%. Taas ng zone ng Lyceum.
Turnover story, 7 for LPU, 3 for Arellano.
Cross-court pass, almost a
Ongotan.
steal.
That's a dangerous pass, but Ongotan takes it inside.
Asking for a foul, tinamaan daw siya, pero walang tinawag. Oh!
Dangerous pass also from Barba, but Palinga, no, that's Renz Villegas.
Yung pasa ni Barba, akala ni Villegas, dire-diretso siya sa rim, pati stop on the 3-point line. Pero napaganda pa yun.
Hindi pinahiya yung pasa na yun as Valencia with a jumper from the baseline. Barba
Going downhill again, Ato
challenging
Barba.
the defense of Arellano.
Strong right, itong si Ato Barba. Player tendencies lang yan, Nico eh. You know Ato Barba strong right, you're gonna force him left. Oh, almost a travel there. Libang staying in control with that sky hook.
Libang scoring for Arellano, 34-31. Charles Libang has 6 points now as Villegas misses on the shot.
3-point game.
4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining.
Binoya.
Binoya fakes. Kicks it out to Valencia from the 3-0. Tatakbo na naman si
3
Barba.
on 2 for Lyceum. Ooh, just missed it.
Geronimo commits a foul on the Ato Barba drive. And look at this pass. Swak na swak sa kamay ni Renz Villegas.
Si Villegas na nag-adjust dun sa pasa ni Barba eh. Valencia with the midi. Oh. Oh, 0 of 2.
Free throws, missed free throws, piling up para rito sa LPU. Dalawa kanina kay Villegas, I think. Dalawa kay Barba ngayon.
Nakaboxing mo ng Lyceum ngayon. Manning Ongotan. Ayaw talaga patanggapin si Ongotan.
Moralejo. To the right, to Barba for 3.
Man. Barba starting to feel it.
Ayun na naman sana yung depensa ng LPU kay Ongotan. Pero may foul muna itatawag.
Masyadong open. Ito si Ato Barba draining that triple.
Buenaventura is back in the game.
Medyo lumalaki na yung lamang ng Lyceum ngayon. 6-point game.
37-31 with 3 and 17 seconds remaining in the first half. Kamay.
Spain action.
Great defense from Aviles. The ball will... sa kabila raw.
No.
As we see again, the 3-point field goals, 5 out of 7 para sa LPU, 71%. At 1 out of 11 for Arellano University, magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. We're seeing the LPU women's volleyball team enjoying this game ng kanilang basketball counterpart. Siyempre, support their own para dito sa LPU Lady Pirates. Ngayon, lamang sila. Enjoy pa yan. 37-31. As we see also, kasama nila Coach Cromwell ng LPU women's volleyball. Wala yata training today.
Oo, break. Or baka mamayang hapon.
Mamaya pa?
Oo. Usually pag volleyball, hapon yata yung training nila.
LPU ang bola. Ayan na naman ang press nitong Arellano. Moralejo. 6 points in this game.
Clear screen for Montaño.
Walang mabigyan. Montaño gets it. 10 to shoot for LPU. Montaño with a looper. Misses. Arellano gets the board. Borromeo zigzagging. His own version of looper. And the ball will go back to LPU. Parang wala pa nakakashot ng ganong klase ng
Floater,
hirap rin,
no?
no?
Actually, meron nga rin si Team Makomota doon from the corner. Wala rin eh. Medyo maalat yung floater natin ngayon.
Oops!
Good D for Kamay.
Kamay.
Another athletic guard for Arellano. Si Yuan Kamay.
Kamay for today is still scoreless, but still trying to orchestrate Arellano's offense right now. Has one assist under his name. Moralejo. Spins. Walang mapasahan doon. Walang bumaba na ibang taga-LPU.
4 on
Hernal.
2. Hernal flying.
Nilagay na lang nitong si Hernal.
Look at that elevation.
This is coming off a great defense. Hernal. Anong pakialam sa depensa nitong si Aviles? Wala.
Piling ko kaya ni i-dunk yun eh. Athletic, very athletic.
Can he complete that three-point opportunity? Nagdalawang isip yung bola. Sige na nga.
Naka-small lineup ngayon ng Arellano. They have to take advantage of that. They have to run.
Almost an 8-second violation for Barba. Peñafiel. Who's foul ref? Offensive foul.
Actually, ang ganda panoorin yung small lineup ng Arellano ngayon. Defensively, pinipressure nila yung mga guards nila. Then offensively naman, tinatakbuhan nila.
Ang sentro mo na rito, si Hernal eh.
Oh, with Lyceum kasi you have Aviles pa. You have Montaño.
Yan ang pinag-uusapan namin ni Coach Chico kanina on kung gaano sila not really under height, but one of the smallest team in this season 101. Right after the departure nitong si Kapulong.
Yun, oo. Kaya kailangan mahanap nila yung strength nila, which is yun, running the floor.
Kamay spins. Gives it to the corner. Akop. And there's a foul on Moralejo, I think. Nagkakakiskisan itong si Moralejo. At saka itong si Hernal. Penalty na itong Arellano.
Kakayakapan. But if you're Lyceum, knowing that Arellano has a small lineup, gonna take advantage of it na kailangan boss yan si Aviles, dominate inside the paint. Kasi ang Arellano, ginagawa nila, tinatakbuhan sila.
Tinatakbuhan
So
no?
Lyceum, kailangan take advantage din nila kung anong meron sila ngayon.
And look at Borromeo. Ayan, Coach Chico
Tumama daw sa mukha.
asking for a review. A challenge. Tinapik daw natama daw sa muka after that tap from behind ditong si Borromeo. Let's see if tama ang mga eagle eye. Kasi nangyari sa tapat ng bench mismo ng
so kita
Arellano.
talaga.
Let's see here.
So confident talaga si Coach Chico sa challenge niya.
It's a tap. From behind. Tumama
Uy.
ba? Oh!
Oo.
That's off the face nitong si Ato Barba.
Good challenge yun.
And confident din itong si Borromeo. Tumama sa mukha, Coach. Kaya si Coach din, harap na harap. And this is the other angle.
Kaya naman ganda rin yun sa NCAA, no? May challenge na talaga eh. Para to make sure na tama talaga yung calls ng referees.
What's the final verdict? Right now, dalawa lang itong lamang ng LPU. And here's the final decision. The ball will go back to Arellano. A chance for them to tie this game up or maybe take the lead. With 1 and 50 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Kamay calling for a play. Looking for Ongotan. Timac has the ball.
Rejecting the
Timac
screen.
flies. What a shot there! That's a confident Timac Ongotan. Montaño against the defense of Hernal. Gives it to Barba.
Good
Look at the
D.
defense. Borromeo once again.
Anthony Borromeo.
That's the second time Borromeo tapping that ball from behind.
Bad foul.
At iisa ang biktima, si Ato Barba. Look at this shot. The hang time move from Timac Ongotan. Yan dapat yung gagawin ni Maverick Vinoya kanina.
Oo.
Eh sabi ni Timac, ako na Maverick.
Wala nag-help eh dito kay Timac.
That's an off-foot shot. And look at this, Borromeo from defense to offense with an all-alone layup. Pero may foul.
Oo, yun lang. Nasira yung momentum doon ng Arellano.
As they get that lead for the first time in this game. Villegas can't tie it. Ongotan drives once again. Timac Ongotan.
That's the second time he rejected the screen and it worked for him.
Barba under a minute remaining in the first half.
Good backdoor.
Montaño nakawala.
Ryan Montaño.
2-for-1 opportunity for Arellano.
Hinahanap talaga ni Kamay si Ongotan
Ongotan again.
against Villegas.
Good
Backdoor
pass, good
play.
backdoor.
Everything but the shot there para kay Borromeo. As we look at this, chopping it off, Peñafiel to Montaño.
Masyadong late yung drop down doon.
Here's the reverse for Anthony Borromeo.
41-40, Arellano gets the lead here. At ito si Borromeo, nagdagdag pa ng isa. Ito na naman yung sinasabi natin against LPU. Misses on the second one, but the ball will remain with the blue shirts.
Now, Coach Gilbert wants to challenge. Lyceum naman ang magta-challenge.
Gaganda yata si Coach Gilbert. But let's see if it's the same result for the LPU.
Challenge by the LPU Pirates on the last out of bounds play.
Arellano, after being down dun sa ating first quarter, slowly
Great second quarter for Arellano, scoring 23 points.
look at that battle between Dailig and Hernal. Oh, parang tama rin si Coach Gilbert, ah. Montaño and Hernal. Oh, balik na sa LPU itong bola rito. 1-1.
1-1. Good challenge. Kahit na malayo si Coach Gilbert, confident pa rin siya na tama yung putok niya.
Ito yung drive ulit ni Umotan kanina against the outstretched arm of Aviles. 3 seconds differential on the game clock and the shot clock.
He wants to post up.
Montaño kicks it out to the Ilig. Free from the three. Misses. Oh. Peñafiel can get hold of that basketball. Balik ang bola sa Arellano.
And George Cabalate coming in for the Heat. Rayon Palingayan. And Jacob Versosa coming in for the Pirates.
Palitan ng tao dito sa Lyceum for defensive purposes.
Arellano will try to write the last sentence of this first half. Kamay, for to shoot. Gives it to the right. Borromeo misses. And after 2 quarters, Arellano now leading by 2, 42-40 against the LPU Pirates. Marami pa tayong basketball. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101.